all, a nutshell, let's put this into practical and see how does it actually works. So immediately what you do is that you set your patient, and then as you all know that BP cuff is being placed in the left hand. So let me put it in my hand and let's see. So now I'm putting it on my hand and kind of let's see what will be the outcome. Maybe I'm having it or I'm not having it. So now my hand is set, and what we do is just we start. So automatically, once you just start, it will begin to inflate your BP cuff, and then now after some seconds it will release the air and give out the value of the BP. So it says I have systolic 135 and I have diastolic 80, and as you can see from the indicator here, it says my BP range is normal according to the indicator, and my pulse per minute is 77. So this is all about how to use this device. So